Ornament season is upon us. Ornaments make great customizable gifts for the holidays. JDS offers a wide variety of ornaments from crystal and wood to leatherette and acrylic that come in a variety of colors and shapes. As well as your not-so-standard ornaments such as the SMD and LMD series, which are generally viewed as award medals but make a perfect base for a more sentimental ornament gift. These simple items can be so meaningful to someone with just a bit of personalization, and the simplicity and options for producing them are endless. JDS's standard ornament offerings can be personalized with a span of processes including sublimation, direct print, sand carved, and lasering. The offering of so many substrates and fabrication processes can be matched with a variety of Rackstar fixtures for increasing productivity in your shop. The simplicity of rail system and ability to swap out the fixtures make the fabrication process smooth and simple. Don't let the stress of the holidays into your shop, and welcome the holiday magic with the variety and ease of ornaments that JDS has here to help you. As always, for more information or any questions, visit us online or give us a call at the number below. Thanks for watching.